there's a presentation about to take place where the pavilion end is about to be officially renamed the Stuart Broad End.
As Stuart Broad officially renames the Stuart Broad End.
The plaque that was unveiled on the 18th of July 2024 on the first day of the test match between England and West Indies. The plaque commemorates the achievements of Stuart Broad, who played in 167 test matches for England, taking 604 wickets. And it was opened by Stuart Broad CBE on the 18th of July 2024. This is the membership seating area in front of the pavilion at Trent Bridge Cricket Ground during the rebuilding of the pavilion. I've been interested that they'd have excavated so deep, and I asked the reason why. I was told that when they took the concrete away, they found that there was no proper foundation under the concrete. It was just laid directly onto mud, and therefore they'd got to excavate it more deeply to do it properly.